Hello, this is my demo for PA6. So first I'll show you my converter. So I'm converting these four animations. Started by making a set quaternions method and set translation method and feeding it the indexes of the nodes and the accessors, just like in the output. I kind of worked off of this to get me started. And then it goes through every single frame in there and sets the quaternion for it inside of this object anim frame, which is then given to anim data, and they're all stored as arrays. This should be more variable. Probably a vector would be better, so that is what I'll do in the future. And then it stores the number of frames. And it's got a proto, and then the frame also has a proto, so they get serialized. And I could probably add scale as well, but we weren't animating scale. So that happens, that's how that works. Converts it, and then serializes it and stores it as a file. The files live here, I already converted them. Here's a couple others right there. And then here's my engine. Got these animations, and I have an animation controller manager. Right now I don't know if this is the best way to do things, but this is how I have it set up. So I get the clip, I extract the animation, opens the file, yeah, it's just a thing, but opens the file, deserializes it, and then stores it in the buckets. And I have a lot of this hard-coded, but for the quaternions in the main translation here, and it iterates based on the number of frames. So that's all stored in anim data proto. And then, yeah, so I've got 5 of them displaying on the screen, 4 different animations. And then I can pause it and play it and speed it up, slow it down, make it go reversed. Right down here I've got the dying one, I've got the sidestepping one, then I've got the running one in the middle and the walking ones on the side. Something I'm having the most trouble with right now is toggling between different animations. So it seems like something's happening with the frame buckets or something, where since I'm really not sure what's happening with it, I trade out the clip. So as you can see, it's not doing the whole loop, but I have the different animations showing on there. It's just not the whole loop, right? So I have this method load clip that just like hot swaps the clip and restarts the timer. But for whatever reason, this is not working out so well. So we do all that, and then we update the animation. So I'm gonna look in there real quick. Is my animation manager. Animation number 5. I'm wondering if it has to do with a discrepancy in the number of. I mean, it's swapping out the whole entire clip. Oh, it's swapping out the whole entire clip, so I'm not sure what could be going on. But yeah, it doesn't go back to normal unless I just restart the whole thing, at which point, yeah, it's always a little laggy at the beginning. But yeah, it's interpolating okay, the frames, all the animations otherwise look fine. It's just with the swapping the clips, something's wrong with that. I'd also like to maybe restructure the way the animations are stored, like in relation to game objects, but I still haven't figured out the best way that would look. All right, thank you.